Hi everyone, I'm Jefford Cheung. You can call me Jeff, J-E-F-F. I'm here to be a language tutor. I like teaching languages and get happiness and value in doing that. I'm very happy to be here to share something about Chinese language learning with you. Now I'm in Suzhou. It's a very beautiful garden city in the east of China. I will take some time touring around the city. I think it's a wonderful enjoyment. I have been working in various language learning projects for nearly 15 years. So I have some experience in having students to learn the language efficiently. Now I will share you some skills and experience. I have many smart and energetic students who are very interested in Chinese language and its culture. Some of them work in China, some study here, and some just traveling in China. So in advance, they will find me and ask me to teach them some generally experience and how to communicate with the common people in China. We do that online. Okay, and to online, we also have a learning and sharing group online for free, and you can join us. It's open to anyone. If you like Chinese and its culture, you can join us. We will share more about it. You can see it in my comment areas. Okay, welcome, join us. Thank you all. In this series of lectures, you will learn what Chinese is, okay? How to say it, how to express yourself in Chinese. For the beginner, how to learn it quickly. What is the good tools or solutions you will be mastered, right? Number 3, many things we often get in or encountered. For example, at the airport, in the hotel, in the restaurant, and how to count numbers, count money, express what time it is, etc. And you can know how to express yourself and communicate with others fluently and smartly, quickly. Hope you all have a good experience in my class, learning and sharing what you want to learn and what you have mastered. Okay. Hope you can confidently use the Chinese language in the Chinese cultural environment, especially in China. Now, let's begin.